Just a little insight on this video, guys. Alex is a waterproof sealer. He does waterproofing for showers, pools, and he also like resurfaces a lot of things. And what we've done with Alex, if we've actually started some Facebook ad campaigns for him. We actually got him a conversion just recently at $12 a lead. So that's definitely a good start for Alex. How does it feel, Alex, getting the leads today?
Yeah, good, bro. So we were having a hard time at the start with our ads. We didn't really know what we're doing. But yeah, Hunter's been showing me a
Mm.
fair bit, and we've put some stuff up. And so far, we've had two come through via Messenger. One converted today, and we have another quote later this week. So, but yeah, no, they were pretty good quality. Like previously, I had run the Messenger campaign myself, and they were coming through, and weren't really actually starting conversations or anything. So it's worked out quite well so
Mm.
far.
Sweet. Yeah, good to hear. Um, and then what was the biggest struggle you had kind of in the beginning when you're like just kind of starting the Facebook ads, you'd say, to anyone out there?
Yeah, I guess I wasn't really sure what to do. I suppose like where to actually, what to change, what to look at, what data to look at, what sort of campaign to set up. Like I tried the instant form. I tried like my partner had tried sending them to our website. So we weren't really sure what the best way to get them to us, I suppose. But yeah,
Mm.
after the messenger seems to be working quite well so far.
Right. Yeah, in the beginning stages, it's a little challenging, especially when you're just starting out. Because I think you said you started about 2 weeks ago. You're brand new to Facebook ads, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, it's definitely hard starting out. So we got Alex up to speed with a one-on-one coaching session, and he learned pretty quickly. Within like 1 to 2 days, he actually got a lead. So pretty good. And then another question. Let me go through here. What would you tell people that are like kind of on the edge of running Facebook ads and they don't really know, what to kind of do, or they're kind of hesitant about it? What would you kind of say to those people specifically?
Yeah, I guess you got to jump on and have a try. Definitely check it out. Like if we're getting clients for $12 a pop, that's money in the bank for us. So definitely seems like it's a good investment. And yeah, if you don't really know what you're doing, I highly recommend Hunter because he got me up to speed very quickly. And if this continues, we'll be very happy.
Awesome. Appreciate it. Yep. Yeah, $12 a lead is pretty good. And then also there's a lifetime value of that lead. So I didn't you already close one of those leads out of the two, Alex, you said?
Yeah, so we did a free quote for him today, and he's booked in. And then yeah, we'll definitely try and upsell, check the rest of his house out, and see if there's
Yeah.
any other work that needs to be done. So other than the first job, it could potentially lead to a second or third. You never know, but worth a look around.
Right, right. And how much like on dollar value is that one lead for you, you'd say?
So
Just
we quoted
estimate.
him 600 today.
$600?
Yeah, yeah.
Man, okay. So you spent 24, you get two leads, 12 apiece, and then you potentially could get the 600, or you already locked them in, you said?
Yeah, so that should be 600 for that job. And then if there's any other work that needs to be done, we can add on top as well.
Okay. Okay, that's very cool. Um, and then just to make sure everyone's kind of clear, what does your business do exactly?
So mostly we help with showers, but we basically do waterproofing for like pools or kitchens or leaking balconies, and then also regrouting for the tiles.
Hmm. Okay, yeah, cool. And then other than that, you're really off to a really good start, I would say. And then as long as you just keep going with the lifetime value of the customer, you could potentially upsell that one customer and a whole lot more customers. So catching on pretty quickly here with the Facebook ads. Is there any, what would you say is the biggest takeaway at the end of this video here? What would you say is the biggest takeaway for you? Um,
I think it's definitely worth investing in other avenues to like acquire customers. Like we have just we're like getting referrals, but actually running ads and paying for traffic essentially,
mm,
definitely seems like a good way to do it. If you can get it down right, if we're paying $12 for those leads, the math just adds up.
mm,
But yeah, obviously you got to know what you're doing. and getting someone to help you is definitely something I'd recommend. I was a bit lost without Hunter, so it was really good to get on a call. You know, he offered it for free too, so I can't thank him enough, to be honest. He's been spending a few hours with me so far, and we've gotten pretty good start so far.
Sweet. Yeah. Yeah. I appreciate working with you, Alex. And I'm going to help Alex also in the future to make sure, he's staying on top of all the leads coming in the future. Hopefully, it's thousands of dollars worth. Other than that, if you guys want to sign up for my program, the link is going to be down below. I also do one-on-one coaching. There will be also another link for the one-on-one coaching down below. Or if you're on my landing page for my course, the link is down below. Also, just click that big button down there, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So see you guys.